For centuries, people have turned to nature to find solutions for their health concerns. Long before modern medicine, our ancestors relied on the healing power of plants, herbs, and minerals to treat ailments and maintain well-being. This deep connection with nature has led to the development of traditional medicine systems, many of which are still practiced today. There is a growing interest in natural remedies as people seek gentler, holistic approaches to health. One such approach involves using readily available, inexpensive household items like castor oil and baking soda. These versatile substances have been used for generations to address a wide range of health issues. While they may not be a cure-all, their potential benefits have piqued the interest of many individuals seeking natural ways to support their health. The appeal of natural remedies like castor oil and baking soda lies in their accessibility, affordability, and minimal side effects when used appropriately. They offer a sense of empowerment, allowing people to take control of their health and explore alternative options. However, it is essential to remember that natural does not always equate to safe, and it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new remedies into your health regimen. This essay delves into the world of castor oil and baking soda, exploring their individual benefits and the potential they hold when combined. We will examine their traditional uses, scientific evidence, and practical applications, providing a comprehensive overview of these natural remedies and their potential role in promoting well-being. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, boasts a long and storied history of medicinal use. This pale yellow oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, has been treasured for its therapeutic properties in various cultures for centuries. Its unique chemical composition is believed to be responsible for its wide range of health benefits. One of the most well-known uses of castor oil is as a laxative. Ricinoleic acid acts as a stimulant laxative, promoting bowel movements by increasing the movement of the intestines. This property makes castor oil helpful for relieving constipation and promoting regularity. Beyond its laxative effects, castor oil is also renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. It is believed to reduce inflammation by blocking the production of certain chemicals in the body that contribute to the inflammatory process. This makes castor oil a popular natural remedy for joint pain, muscle soreness, and skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Furthermore, castor oil is a natural emollient, meaning it softens and moisturizes the skin. It is rich in fatty acids that can penetrate deeply into the skin, providing hydration and improving its overall texture. This makes it an excellent natural ingredient for skincare products, particularly for dry, sensitive, or irritated skin. Castor oil's versatility extends beyond internal and topical applications. It has also been traditionally used as a hair care treatment, promoting hair growth and improving scalp health. Its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties are thought to nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and reduce dandruff. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a common household ingredient with a surprising array of health benefits. This white, odorless powder is a staple in many kitchens, primarily used as a leavening agent in baking. However, its uses extend far beyond the culinary realm, proving valuable in various health and hygiene practices. One of the most well-known benefits of baking soda is its ability to neutralize acid. When mixed with water, baking soda reacts with acids, producing carbon dioxide gas, which creates a bubbling effect. This reaction helps neutralize excess stomach acid, providing relief from heartburn, indigestion, and acid reflux. Baking soda also possesses potent antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it effective against various microorganisms. Its alkaline nature creates an environment that is inhospitable to many types of bacteria and fungi, inhibiting their growth and reducing the risk of infection. Furthermore, baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, making it useful for cleaning and exfoliating. It can be used to whiten teeth, remove plaque, and freshen breath. Its abrasive properties also make it effective for removing dead skin cells, dirt, and impurities from the skin, leaving it feeling smooth and refreshed. Baking soda's versatility extends to its ability to absorb odors. Its unique chemical structure allows it to neutralize odor molecules rather than simply masking them. This makes it an effective natural deodorant, as well as a useful tool for absorbing unpleasant smells in the refrigerator, shoes, and other areas. While both castor oil and baking soda offer a range of individual benefits, their combined use is believed to create a synergistic effect, enhancing their therapeutic properties. The combination of these two natural powerhouses has been touted as a potent remedy for various ailments, addressing both internal and external health concerns. The exact mechanisms behind this synergistic effect are not fully understood, but it is thought that the unique properties of each substance complement and enhance the other. Castor oil, with its ability to penetrate deeply into tissues and its anti-inflammatory properties, is believed to improve the delivery and efficacy of baking soda's alkalizing and antimicrobial effects. One of the most popular uses of the castor oil and baking soda combination is for drawing out toxins and impurities from the body. Castor oil packs made by soaking a cloth in castor oil and applying it to the skin are believed to stimulate lymphatic drainage and promote detoxification. Adding baking soda to the castor oil is thought to further enhance this process by neutralizing acidity and drawing out toxins through the skin. Moreover, the combination of castor oil and baking soda is believed to be effective for treating skin conditions like acne, eczema, and fungal infections. Castor oil's moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, coupled with baking soda's antifungal and antibacterial effects, create a powerful treatment that can soothe irritation, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Furthermore, the castor oil and baking soda duo has been used traditionally to address digestive issues like constipation and bloating. Castor oil's laxative effects, combined with baking soda's ability to neutralize excess stomach acid, can help regulate bowel movements, reduce gas and bloating, and promote overall digestive comfort. In conclusion, the combination of castor oil and baking soda offers a powerful, natural remedy for various ailments. By embracing these natural ingredients, you can unlock their healing potential and improve your overall well-being. Our journey towards wellness is a continuous one, and every step we take with nature's gifts brings us closer to a healthier, more balanced life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Together, let's explore the wonders of nature and discover the path to better health.